let's get into that TMJ a little bit more. So I would love for you to work with a good spoon. You want a spoon with a really nice edge on it, and we're going to pin and take the spoon in and just twist it inwards and just work our way down through the muscle. That twisting motion can be incredibly powerful for getting into the stuck tissue just underneath the cheeks. I'm going to do the same on the other side. So pin above, and we're going to turn in. Oh wow. Remember to breathe deeply as you go into this area. Oh. Any questions, comment below.